I hope you're all well. Yesterday I uploaded a video that was related to digestive system, and this video is related to the circulatory system. So if the ones who have not seen the video which was related to the digestive systems, so kindly go and watch it. Thank you, because these both videos are connected to each other somehow. Now let's move on. Now, objective. What does the objective means? It means that by the end of the lesson you will be able to. Yes, the meaning of the objective is this, right, Ahad? Now, know the functions of the circulatory system and its major organs. Entry ticket. How does other parts of the body get energy from the stomach? Thinking time is up, and let me tell you the answer. The different parts of the body gets the energy from the stomach through the different tubes. Okay, now let's study furthermore in detail. Transport of blood. We talked about energy. Now, how is the blood transported? So the blood is transported through the blood vessels. Okay, it's transported through the blood vessels. Now, blood vessels. What are blood vessels? Okay, these are the tubes. And blood vessels are of two kinds. One is an artery and the other is called vein. And they are completely opposite to each other. Because arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood to the heart. There are some more features and functions of veins and arteries we'll explore now. So see, veins carries blood from tissues of the body to the heart, whereas arteries carries blood back away from the heart to tissues of the body. Veins are usually found closer beneath the skin, whereas arteries are found deeper within the skin. Veins are muscular than arteries, and arteries are more muscular than veins. Veins collapse if blood flow stops, would generally remain open when if flows stops because of the muscular structure. Now, before saying anything, picking out the second statement, that veins are usually found closer beneath the skin. So for that, I want you to look at your wrist. There you could see some blue kind of tubes, but you cannot see the red tubes. Why? Because veins colored blue are not beneath, instead they are closer to your skin, and arteries are deeper, so we cannot see them. Now let's move on. We'll be doing an exercise. Follow the steps kindly. Put your hand on your waist. Take a few deep breaths. Now, what is a physical change do you feel during each breath, and what organ allows you to take deep breaths? Now, thinking time. Answering time. Actually, I think that when I inhale, I feel stressed, but when I exhale, I feel relaxed. And for the second question, Heart is the organ which allows me to take deep breaths. A heart. We'll be discussing about heart. Heart pumps blood through the body. Well, the heart has two sides, right and left sides, and both sides have different functions. The right side collects blood that already went to the body and send it to the lungs, whereas left side collects blood that comes from the lung and is rich in oxygen and send it to the arteries to go to the body. So now, seeing these two pictures, what can you guess? Which system is it? Right, it's circulatory system. Now let's study furthermore. What is the job of your circulatory system? It takes in oxygen from the lung and food nutrient to every cell in the body. It removes carbon dioxide and other cell waste. Blood vessels are the highways that ends at every cell. Okay. Now, the circulatory system is just like the transportation system for the blood, for the body and blood both. And what is blood? Blood is just like the vehicles, okay? And these roadways travel in one direction only to keep things going where they should. Just as a truck delivers food, clothes, and other goods to the houses and stores it, blood circulates around the body, carrying and delivering oxygen and nutrients needed by each cell. Circulatory system, you could see this, that arteries carry blood that is rich in oxygen away from the heart, whereas veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, and this is whole circulatory system process. Now, these are some facts that I would like to tell you, is that circulatory system works with the respiratory system to help you transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. It works with the excretory to help remove waste from the body, and it works with the digestive system to transport nutrient. It works with the muscular system to help circulate nutrients. Now think tank. Sometimes you walk, other times you run. Sometimes you stand still, other times you jump up and down. How does your body react when you run or jump up and jump down? Think. Question number 2. Does your heart beat the same way all the time? Why or why not? Actually, when we run a lot, jump up and down, we start getting dehydrated, and as we also our heartbeat increases. And does your heartbeat, and it does not remains the same way, it starts to beat faster. Okay, it starts to beat faster, and the reason is that when we activate our muscles, they need more oxygen. Okay, now let's move on. Now this is the video which we need to watch it. We will be watching this video. Actually, that's a peekaboo video, and I will be sharing the link in the description box, and you could watch this video. Now, individual task is that it's the heart and the circulatory system contain different kinds of blood vessels, mainly arteries and veins. What is their function? At the back previous slides, there were many reasons told, so kindly do it easily, and if you don't remember, kindly go and again check it. Explain why the circulatory system works like an transportation system for the human body. It is important to keep the heart and circulatory system healthy. What problems can people have if the heart is not working properly? What can you do to maintain good health? So that's all your task, and I will not be telling you the answers. This is an exit ticket for today's lesson, which is that think about what you learned today and then discuss an opinion about the topic discussed. Simply, you need to write in your comment box that what you learned today. Okay? Or if you want me, then I'll be sharing a padlet wall link, so you could write your answer on that. Okay, you need to submit the individual task and exit ticket on that padlet wall link, which I would be sending. Okay, bye till that time. Take care, all of you guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is Education with Fun. Bye.